life is epic. I spit on beats that need antiseptics. Judging by my appearance, you never would guess it. It's befitting, I'm majestic, I get it and uncontested. If you're better than Mike, well you're about to be tested. I'm telekinetic, I tell Game Jack to set it. I wake up with a beat in my mailbox indebted. It's embedded, I ignite like unleaded. The rhetoric is egocentric, athletically dependent, and precise as Andy Pettit. Pick Mike over Bowie or you'll regret it, you get it? Don't be waiting till later to give me credit, cause I bled it. Mike sweating his music and with the tears that infuse it, I grab a shore microphone and on the daily abuse it. The microphone was kicked out the school of mutants, cause I looted Professor Rex's computer, impregnated Storm and bounced, they say I screwed her. I booted her for a mutant, I knew that looked cuter. Treat us differently, we're a whole nother league. Got different pedigree from a superior breed. Beyond destiny is better, it was meant to be. Study harder to harness all the powers internally. Explode on the scene, special forces unseen. Technologically advanced, here we're shattering dreams. Supplying fiends and my mind's a machine. Microchips implanted, it's a science and you'll never understand it. The Weapon X project, I'm stressing your test, the logic. This adamantium forged mic symbolic. It sounds out of megaphonic, my hometown's demonic. This Tacoma Saber Cat, Miss Seattle Supersonics. I'm on it, who in position to be losing the innocence? I ain't looking for guinea pigs, I'm seeking the syndicate affiliation to facilitate infiltrating your nation. This demonstration's basically the gist of the operation. Your cooperation's needed, so bump this better than freedom. Feeling, lead them against the demons, defeat them. Nobody's seen them, you're dreaming. If you think Mike Daly's dissing you, you better all wake up. Hit the lab and make it listenable. No telling what this kid to do, my actions are limitless. I was born on barbiturates, the litigant arrested on contempt for being mischievous. Mike will be a hit or miss. If I miss, the critics ain't evolved to interpret this. Treat us differently, we're a whole nother league. Got different pedigree from a superior breed. Beyond destiny is better, it was meant to be. Study harder to harness all the powers internally. Explode on the scene, special forces unseen. Technologically advanced, here we're shattering dreams. Supplying fiends and my mind's a machine. Microchips implanted, it's a science and you'll never understand it. My savageness made me a ruthless capitalist. The catalyst of rappers losing their happiness. Records will never have an asterisk. I mastered this word to my bastard kid, I'm blasphemously hazardous. Inject me with sodium pentothal and everything will be solved. Mutation of my cell walls evolved. Hell called and froze over the bulldozer. Itching like Michael Myers toward the end of October. I rest on the posturepedic in the hyperbaric chamber. I'm out of my manic state. To me, I'm the greatest danger you see. Another banger by the microphone mangler. Stranger, you should have been delivered prematurely with a hang of this. Anti-gravity rap is the antithesis of whack. All my business is evade, paying tax. Shitting out cost it takes to make tracks. Murder music with Game Jack, you're under attack.
That mutants are very real. You know the situation?
Mutation. It is the key